today we will see some of the few more features of Tableau like groups, sets, highlights, uh, those type of activities. So like here, uh, I've chosen the one simple bar chart. This is the first bar chart which we have created, and suppose I want to just segregate these four customers to a separate category. Okay, right click, group. Okay, what is this group means? Now you see all other customers are now followed into another group called other. Okay, now the group which we have selected, the group of the customer which we have selected, we are just going to name it to a separate category, say blacklisted customers. Okay, edit alias, you can edit alias, it's not edit title. Okay, because we are going to edit the alias. So blacklisted customers. Now when you just see this objects, I'll just make it in a duplicate sheet actually. I will apply to this one, this one, this, and this. These four customer, apart from the entire sheet, I would like to segregate to a separate category. Just you can click it here, group members, or right click group. Okay. And when you create a group, they are become one separate category. Instead of all the customer with individual category and individual color, I'm going to create few customer to one group, few other customer to another group, and that way I can create multiple groups. Say I don't have any physical data in my table called category, and I want to create a category from the UI. I would like to segregate customer from the Middle East, from Asia Pacific, from uh, you know US, from Americas, all those type of customers. I will just segregate. Okay, these customers from Middle East. Then I'll create one more group. Right click, edit alias, European. Okay, this way we cannot do, or if you have any additional category in the table, you can do the coloring like this. But if you don't have any categories, like we have division, division is such a further segregation of the customers. We can add the division and we can create the color set like this. But I don't have any such data. I want to segregate by my own requirement. In that case, I can create separate groups. Press Control. Group.
Can two different persons be in two different? Sorry, can same person be in two different groups?
No.
Okay.
Right click and create this edit alias. You see, multiple groups I have created, but I don't have any such data called group in my table. From the requirement, I just created this.
Yeah.
Simply select all this thing. Then in the tooltip, this is the tooltip. Right click on this, click on this group members. Since we have already created a group and we are adding all these items to group members, then now you see the color has been created. Edit alias. Okay, this is the data in this group. South American, North American. So once I am just filtering it out, according to the filter, all this data will be segregated. When I click on other, so whichever the customer I have not made or added to any group, that will be part of this other.
Okay. How to add a new member to the existing group? Mm.
One group. Give me a second. Your question was to add one member, a new member to a existing group. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So here you can go and add one. Say I have Middle East. In the Middle East, these all items are there, and I'll choose go to other, because all other items which we have not selected, they are now part of the other group, right?
Yeah.
So I can choose this and add to
Okay.
Middle East. Got it?
Yes.
Suppose yeah, this I have added to Middle East, right?
Yes.
This is a customer which I have later added to Middle East. Any customer I will not select to any group, that will be by default in the other group. So right click, if I'm clicking here, it is instantly creating another group. I don't have any provision to add it to the existing group right from here. But I repeat, I can go to this customer group which has been segregated by color, edit group. By default, go to other group, any other item you have not selected. So check this item, add to whichever the other group you have you want to select. So add to Middle East. And this also being added.
Yeah. Okay.
Once I'm selecting it, it is acting as a filter, but now it is not working. Why it is not working? I have to choose one option. Here, click on this, highlight selected items. Okay, highlight selected items. On selection of this, if you choose, then the items will be highlighted as per the selection. So this is a useful feature, groups.